There are various types of CHECKWEIGHER in the world. CHECKWEIGHER prevent loss of raw materials by accurately weighing the products in the final stage. But there's always room for improvement. Mark Twain once said, "The secret of getting ahead is getting started." After 20 years of developing precision weighing technologies, Intech Korea came across a singular idea. Powder sticks have become an essential part of today's society, characterized by diverse lifestyles. But do we need those clumsy conveyor belts to check sticks? No. We can use sticks to check sticks. Our world-first products have no competition in Korea. Individual STICKPACK CHECKWEIGHER. Intech's innovative idea and its passion made this pioneering development possible. Intech's innovation did not stop there. However, our customers always have things to worry about. They worry about product defects. They worry about production cost when material prices go up. Intech Korea dedicated itself to helping customers deal with these issues and developed a completely new weight sorting solution. First, Intech applied an innovative impeller technology to production lines to improve efficiency. This way, sorters can be installed in packaging machines without cutting any parts, making the employee's job easier. The new sorter also weighs sticks individually, eliminating the possibility of a defective product. The system helps customers maintain their quality and save costs by providing individual stick weight data and real-time feedbacks. Intech Korea has achieved numerous innovations through ceaseless efforts to transcend the limit. Intech Korea will get ahead in the global market with its advanced precision weighing technologies that cater to customers' needs. A global leader in precision weighing, Intech Korea.